is what's happening with inflation, right? So there's a lot of talk in the news about what's happening in inflation and what will happen with inflation as a result of some of the president's policies in Washington, specifically with tariffs. And so if we look at inflation rates, February's core PCE, which is the sort of preferred measure for the Fed, came in at 2.65%, which was down from 2.86% in January. And then, year over year, it's down from 3.06%. And the core PCE is basically a basket of goods and services, excluding energy costs and food costs. We know that energy costs are coming down pretty quickly right now. You can see that at the pump. And food costs have been pretty sticky. Everybody thinks about egg prices. So there's a lot of worry about what's happening with inflation. And as a result, what will the Fed do? Now, most market followers think that the market is priced in 3 quarter-point rate cuts in 2025. Depending upon who you talk to, that may be a little bit too optimistic, but so there is some belief that the Fed will cut. If they don't, that will cause volatility for the markets.
Right.
And then employment data and economic growth concerns. So we're beginning to wonder, what's the economy going to do? So we came into the year, economic data was pretty strong. The likelihood of a recession in 2025 was quite low. But now we're starting to see some leading indicators, the stock market being one, and the other being the yield curve being another, that would indicate that we may be looking at some slowing economic data.